What if I told you there's a material so thin it's invisible, but 200 times stronger than steel? Strong enough to stop a bullet, yet flexible enough to fold like paper? No, this isn't sci-fi. This is graphene, and it might just change everything. Graphene is a single layer of carbon atoms arranged in a perfect honeycomb pattern, just one atom thick, which technically makes it the first true 2D material. It was first isolated in 2004 by two researchers who, I'm not kidding, used Scotch tape to peel layers off a lump of graphite. Since then, it's won Nobel Prizes, filled entire PhDs, and been called everything from the miracle material to overhyped carbon paper. So, how can something invisible to the naked eye be stronger than steel? It's all in the bonding. Every carbon atom in graphene is connected to three others in a hexagonal mesh, like a chain link fence made of atoms. Carbon-carbon bonds are some of the strongest in nature. That's why diamonds exist, and why graphene doesn't snap under stress. In theory, a sheet of graphene the thickness of cling film could support the weight of a cat, or even a small car. Don't try this at home. You'll need a very small car. But it's not just strong. Graphene is see-through, flexible, conducts electricity better than copper, and it's nearly weightless. Basically, if Spider-Man were made of atoms, this would be his suit. With all that hype, you'd think we'd be swimming in graphene tech by now. Phones, batteries, body armor, space elevators, right? Not quite. The challenge isn't what graphene can do, it's what we can make it do at scale. Making perfect sheets of graphene is hard, expensive, and often kind of useless unless you combine it with other materials. But researchers are making progress. Graphene is now used in composite materials, flexible electronics, experimental transistors, and even some high-performance batteries. Graphene is just one member of a growing family of weird materials. 2D crystals, nanosheets, carbon tubes that act like wires. We're barely scratching the surface. If we ever do crack graphene's full potential, it could redefine how we build things, power devices, and even interact with tech. Graphene is thin, powerful, and mysterious, which makes it a perfect first guest here on Nocturne Mechanics. If you're into strong stuff, strange science, and materials that shouldn't exist, hit subscribe and join us for the next deep dive. Until next time, keep questioning what things are really made of.